Meaning of Jack Legs Diamond.
Jack Legs Diamond.
Jack Legs Diamond.
Jack Legs Diamond.
Jack Legs Diamond. Jack Legs Diamond was the nickname of a notorious American gangster named Jack Diamond, who was active during the Prohibition era in New York City from the 1920s to the early 1930s. The nickname Legs referred to Diamond's reputation as a fast runner, which he used to escape capture by law enforcement during several close calls with the police. Diamond was involved in bootlegging, gambling, and other illegal activities, and his criminal exploits made him one of the most feared and infamous gangsters of his time. He was eventually murdered in 1931, likely as a result of his involvement in organized crime.